Sir, I have a doubt that science and technology developing, but Amazon have been fire. What can we do for this? See, Amazon fire is because of the two trees or any stone which is rolling and then putting into some other. It's a natural process, but science and technology is helping it by identifying there is a fire inside the forest. The forest fire detection is done by space technology, and taking care of that, it will not spread further. Aircraft will go and then put sufficient chemical around it so that the spreading will not happen. So these things are controlled. Natural disaster, these are called a natural disaster. Learn the word. Natural disaster cannot be controlled by science and technology, but taking care of its danger is being, or controlling, not spreading it, taking care of the losses which could happen because of the natural disaster is taken care of by science and technology. Science and technology cannot stop tsunami. It cannot stop forest fire. But I am sure we can take care of not spreading it. That is being done by science and technology. Beautiful question. I am sure the children are brilliant. That's why they are getting such different questions. Where these questions are coming from? Brain is working. Is there a relation between science and illusion is one question. I am sure we already explained. The great scientist who was only dreaming and thinking and writing novel, not one, I don't name. There are many people who write. Once upon a time, an illusion, that's why I said the dream is an illusion. The dream which becomes reality with science. Sometime we had Ramayana in which the aircraft is flying was a dream. Probably that was a poet's visualization. That was an illusion. Desha deshantaram yadbhag, from one desha to another desha you want to go. Dyuba dyupantaram chaiva, if that desham happened to be island, from one island to another island. Yo ambare gandumarhasi, what goes in the air. Sa vimana iti prokta, that is what is called vimana. But this definition was fantastic. But vimana came only after when? 1908, 1926. It's only almost 100 years, not much older. So what is an illusion, what is a story, what is a mythology, what is being dreamt by somebody else will become a real reality in science after some time. So first illusion, then story, maybe that becomes a dream, and that is being come into nature. That is what is happening.
I have a doubt.
Yeah.
The moon attracts Earth.
There is actually that is what is called universal gravity. Every object in the space will attract each other. When you have attraction, you cannot say you should not attract this planet or satellite. The satellite has got a gravity which is much less than the Earth gravity. So this is less and Earth is more. So definitely whichever has got more gravity will attract. So moon is attracted by Earth. But there is a small gravity which the moon has, therefore it will also attract. But this far it attracts less. How do you see this attraction of the moon on the Earth? You can see the waves in the sea. The waves in the sea is because of the attraction force of the moon, which is impacting some movable objects on the Earth. So it is not that moon is attracting Earth, but some of the components on the Earth. That is why the human blood which is inside our body, it is called ferromagnetic fluid. Blood is a ferromagnetic fluid. It has got magnetism and a small iron content inside. Therefore, when the moon is closer, the blood will have a different reaction. That is why some people get some health problems when the moon is close to Earth. So, astronomical computations can predict your mental, physical state. That is what we will do in astrology. So there are objects on the Earth which is influenced by moon. We cannot say attraction, it is an influence of the gravity. That is part of science. Beautiful question, which made me to think different. Yeah, it is not that I know the answers. I am only thinking and giving. Don't take these answers that are 100% perfect. You must find out from different people, or maybe when you ask sometime later, I may explain it in a different style. Sir, what is the phenomena behind continental drift? See, Earth is like a football with different components. That is called different plates. Each plate moves with the, because it's a big gigantic ball, and in which you, I don't know whether you have seen the old ball. Today's ball comes as a single layer, the stitched ball together, but there is no stitch there. That's only attraction. So each of these plates are attracted to the center, therefore it is staying there, and it is moving very fast. It is revolving around the sun, and then the rotating around the sun. It is going around fast. You know the speed of the earth. If you want to know the speed of the earth, what you should do is 6,000 kilometer 2 pi r. Not even a circle, it's an ellipse. So it's an ellipsoid. It is too big. But take it approximately that. So 2 into, let it pi is equal to 3. So 6 multiplied by 6,000. So that will become 36,000 kilometer can be the perimeter. That goes in 360 degrees, 24 hours. So you divide that, it will become 15,000 approximately kilometer per hour speed. Okay, maybe computation is wrong. That speed, no vehicle in the earth will travel such speed. You can imagine when that goes that fast, don't you think something which is unstitched, which is available, will also start drifting? So there is a continental drift. There is a movement which is happening from one plate to another plate, will go and hit. When one goes and go, it will not happen one day. It will happen in millions of years. So 200 million years, the Indian plate went and hit the Eurasian plate. That is why the Himalayas came. And once upon a time, the plate which was containing the Sri Lanka and the India was very close. That is where Hanuman could jump. Because of the continental shift movement, it kept moving. Once upon a time, everything was together, which was called Pangea. So after some time, again it may collide each other together and then stay. And sometimes the plate is not uniform. Though we say that mean sea level, it need not be mean sea level. It may be tilting in different directions. When it tilts in different directions, there is all chance that the Kerala can go under sea. Maybe the sea level in the Bay of Bengal will become much bigger and higher. So there can be lot of changes which is happening in the earth. So understand, it is not a solid earth, which is a plate which is moving every now and then. Wonderful questions here. Sir, did Aryabhatta found that the... Okay, I could not read. Before that some other question came. I will have to. Aryabhatta found that the planets and the moon are shining because of the reflection by the sun. I don't know exactly whether he could find the reflections and the... But there is a chance that India know this, because Manam Darpana Samanam, Shankara said once. The mind is like a mirror. And you know, in astrology, when generally we say the moon is Manakarakan. Manakarakan means the Manas is like a reflector. So Manas is considered as moon in the astrology. So I am sure with these two, when you read together, people in traditional India knew that moon is only a reflection. So it is like a mirror. That means the sun reflection is what is happening. I don't know whether Aryabhatta really told or not, but he had many contributions, but I don't know whether Aryabhatta talked about the moon as a mirror reflection. That I am not very sure. Why the waves do not, there is a good question there, do not form in lake? Because it is too small. When you take a small tumbler, and then you will not see the water moving. But when you take a bigger tumbler, the water waves will form. That's only because of the surface area is big and small. When it is a small surface area, surface tension also will act. But in a larger area, surface tension will not have. Capillary motion, that's why the surface tension. When you have got a small capillary, the surface wave will not be there. There is only one curve. The surface will budge up. That is called the capillary effect. Sir, can we scientifically say that there are ghosts and spirits in the world? There are Krillin photography done by somebody where they pictured the aura around people, and there are scientific experiments happened. But if you take me to some graveyard, I will tell you whether there are ghosts or not. I love to go to such places and then talk to the ghosts and spirit. I have some such fantasy of doing it. I don't say that it is a ability which I have, but I speak to human beings who are alive. If they don't speak, I will make them to speak. But ghost, I don't know how to make them speak, to know that they exist. Pictures are possible. There are ghost pictures which is called Krillin photography to know whether you are alive or dead. What is universe made up of? And Panchabhutatmakam, 5 elements: fire, air, then space, water, earth. That is called Panchabhutatmakam. The whole universe is Panchabhutatmakam. The temperature conditions, but recently came across the topic of lava tubes on the caves, and I'm not able to read. Somebody else came in between. Yeah, I think if they can ask question, that will be wonderful. These questions are beautiful, but many are coming. In the possibilities of life supporting ecosystem. You know, the lava contains lot of chemicals which will take care of the global pollution. The global warming which has got carbon dioxide is being diluted by the lava. So lava has a positive effect. That's why I keep saying you don't have to control. One small lava is good enough to take care of the global warming problem sometime. My question was, when some scenes were happening in the life, I feel that had happened to the past. Why is it feel so? Because unsatisfied desires of your life is what is dream. So the dream can come. Dream, nothing comes which is not available, which is not seen by you. Maybe you will see a giraffe and an elephant. In the dream, you will put the elephant head for the giraffe and see. So mix and puzzle sort of a thing is what is dream. So that is actually what is in the reality is what is dream, but with your imagination which is not satisfied. So you may see your teacher's picture as a tiger, but I am sure your friend's picture like a rabbit. That is possible because your dream is what is unsatisfied or satisfied. That is what happens. I think I answered universe, but I am seeing no other good questions. I said already answer for that.
All planets has gravitation.
What gravitation I heard?
Planets has gravitation.
Not clear.
All planets have gravitation force.
Yeah, they have gravitation, but the different. Otherwise, they will not be existing. That's why I said, Akrishti Shaktistu Mahitaya Yadgastam. Every planet, every satellite has got some gravity. Otherwise, they cannot exist. That may vary from one planet to another planet. That may change. That all together is called universal gravity, capital G. So under capital G, every small component has its own gravity. Without its own gravity, it cannot stay in the system of universe. Sir, someone who inspired you to take this profession. I was not a good student. By mistake, I got into mathematics because my brother told me you cannot study maths. Then I decided that I am going to study mathematics. When during my PhD in mathematics, when I went to Hong Kong for a conference, I had a roommate who was a space scientist. He told many things about space. So I thought I should get a job there. So whenever there was an advertisement, I applied and I got a job. So it's all by chance. It is not by inspiration. But to learn continuously, there is one person who inspires me, and his name is Dr. TPS. Who inspires me to learn many things? That is me myself. When I read Bhagavad Gita, I become Krishna. When I read questions from Arjuna, I become Arjuna. When I read Kalam, I become Kalam. When I read Einstein, I become Einstein. So I take a role of different people, and then that's why you can see the variety of questions which you asked. You can ask me many questions from different field because I read and I visualize. When I teach English, I become Wordsworth's poetry, I become Wordsworth. When I read Macbeth, I become Shakespeare. So when I read something, I become that person. When I read Shankara, I become Shankara myself. When I read Vivekananda, I become Vivekananda. So your role model becomes different people. The books are our role models. When I read poetry from Vallathol, I become Vallathol. When I read poetry from somebody, I become that. So that is the inspiration which we get. I am sure you should visualize. You must understand. That is what is required. Beautiful question. Thank you for that. I think somebody has to copy all these questions and give it to me. When I post this onto YouTube, I want those questions also along with that. Some of the questions I am not able to see because so many questions are coming. And my window, I don't want it to keep on scrolling. I am sure we should have a lot of other sessions where we could pick up many more questions and many more interactions. Yeah. The magnet attracts and repels each other, or there is any repulsion between the things and the space like there in the attract. Definitely. If you, I don't know how many of you know the forgetfulness of Earth. The Earth itself has got, have changed its south pole and north pole. Because I told you it is live. It is not south always south and north always north. It tilted by itself. And south pole became north pole became south pole after some time. And then what happened, once upon a time Earth forgot that where is it north pole and where is it south pole. This also happened. So when you go to some place, I went to Oman in some place where you can see the Earth forgetfulness is seen. When you take a vehicle and then keep on the ground, it will automatically climb on top of the mountain without even driving. You put that in the neutral gear, the vehicle will drive itself. That is because the magnetic power is there. So there are so many places in the world which is actually, if you don't understand, the curiosity will keep growing and then you start imagining. Yeah. The scientists have found that there is an underground like the flowing mercury. Yeah. See, you know that under the sea itself there is a river which is flowing in the reverse direction. In different directions it keep flowing. There are rivers under the sea. Sir, is there anything that faster than light? People started identifying experiments and then finding out faster than light, is there anything? So I am sure the experiment which happened in the border France, the Big Bang, they are trying to find out such experiments. So I am sure there are a group of people who wanted to say that no, it is not light speed, there are much better than, but we don't have mechanism to prove that. What they do is high powerful magnetic field is given and some electrons are made to move with charge much faster speed, and they could achieve little less than light but not higher than light, little less than height. That is all what they could achieve. I am sure experiments are conducted, maybe sometime they will prove that it can go much faster. What is universe made of? I already answered. I think Aparna is not listening. I will tell you secretly what is universe made. If you don't, it is Panchabhutatmakam, 5 elements I told. Yeah, sir, you have a question you should ask. Sir, can I create fire? Fire have a shadow? Anything which is creating light cannot have shadow. Because shadow comes when it is against the light and there is no light situation. So fire, light creates shadow for somebody else. So the creator cannot have shadow by themselves. There is a big question, but there are smaller questions. So I prefer to read a smaller question. Sir, how life on earth began? There is a great answer given by many people in the Vedas and Upanishads. One of the answer given by somebody who is quoting Kalidasa, Megha Sandesham. Yadandaruktam Tvaya. There is says that in the space there was 2 different things which collided each other, and that is how the life began. That is how the universe began. And the universe, when it is put into different conditions, the life began. So this is what my guru taught me. I think that's all what I have to quote. Which without that there are no other proof. But there are different life which came into existence, which could stay in water, then water and air, water and space, water and land, and then light. So 126 crores of animals which can be seen on the ground, which cannot be seen, micro objects, these are all created. And the Brahma Puranam says that Taihi, creating all that, Brahma became tired and tired. and he wanted to create somebody who will think of this creation. That is how he created with more weight on the head. That is how human beings are created. That is what the Brahma Purana says. Why don't birds get electrocuted when they are land on the electric wire? The electric wire is the conductor, and any connection given which is less conducting, the wire only will conduct. That is because the higher potential energy is what makes the electricity to travel. So even when you don't get an electricity wire, if you catch both hands and hang, probably because we have more conductivity, there could be some electricity traveling, but not in the same quantity of potential in which the electricity is traveling. So what happens is, the electricity likes to go where the conductivity is more. The birds have less conductivity than the wire. Therefore, maximum electricity goes there. This is less conducted. There can be a small shock, but when you hold it and leave it, it doesn't. And insulation is given for the birds with a lot of different chemical. But they can understand subtle energy, the magnetic energy. That's why birds are migrating from one place to another place. These are beautiful questions asked by Einstein also. And there was answer given by Einstein. Why birds migrate? How do they migrate? How they can understand the electromagnetic energy? These questions are asked and answered. Why? There is a beautiful book which explains this. Is there the relation between Atmiyata and science? Where science cannot give answer, spirituality will start giving answer. And where science stops, spirituality starts. Atmiyata is what I understand as spirituality. That is why most of the scientists become philosophers, then become the Atmiya Purushas. Atmiya Purusha is which you cannot understand. See, for example, I can talk about Manas. My beautiful poetries are on Manas. I can talk about Manas to people who understand spirituality, but not to people who understand only science. Because Manas doesn't exist. But Manas, we know it exists. It is like a software inside our body. So these are different concepts which is to be understood by spiritual people, but not scientifically. We cannot. My love towards my mother cannot be shown, but I can feel it. What you can feel is spirituality, what you can show is science. That's the difference. Sir, the light, a pure energy. Light is a pure energy. Light is from the fire. It's an electromagnetic energy, where we call it as 0.4 to 0.7 micrometer is what we see as white light. That is why the reflections are being absorbed by eye as light, because eye can absorb 0.4 to 0.7. What is the bottom of the black hole? Black hole itself is a mystery. So nobody knows what is black hole. There is something which doesn't understand. Every space is black. When the light comes, that becomes brighter. But there are some portions where it cannot. That becomes the black hole which attracts, which sink everything. That is what it says. The light also sinks inside. That's why it is called a black hole. But the relaxing our body and the mind, we can separate our soul from the body. Is it true? You must experience. What cannot be experienced cannot be spoken. So, is it dangerous? It is not dangerous, because it's an enjoyment. For somebody else, it can't be danger, because sometimes the life will not come back what you will do. Okay, sir, the light is, I think that I am not able to see the questions. Let me see. When somebody comes for admitting, that is also coming to my screen. So when I touch that, the chat box is going off. Yeah.
Sir, one question.
Yeah, I love that.
Yes, sir, India's first human spacelift mission Gaganyaan was planning now. ISRO selected soldiers to travel.
Yeah.
Why India don't select astronauts?
See, there is nobody called astronaut in the world. Astronaut can be selected by as from doctors, maybe from animal lovers, maybe philosophers, maybe scientific people. Well, some of them are brave people. So there is nobody called a astronaut, there is nobody called a soldier. When you put the uniform and stand there, you become a soldier. There is nobody called a scientist. When you work in the field, you become a scientist. If you do philosophy, you become a philosopher. There is nobody called with a brand. So when we selected, that is what we wanted to select, because it undergoes lot of training. And in that training, most of them are physical training, because you must know how to be in the zero gravity and all that. So we need people who already have that courage for getting into such things, and then Maybe that is the reason. There can be different reasons. Maybe when the Musk, the person who is making people to travel in space, the richest people will go there because it's a private affair, right? Yeah.
Right.
Sir, why a physical scale is invariant? Physical scale is not invariant. The physical scale is experimented in Indian Physical Laboratory. There is a center in Delhi which decides whether the physical scale varies and how much it varies. So that is being experimented and then rectified always. It is varying based on the geographical situations and time and space. Without time and space variation, there is nothing in the world. Time itself is varying. You cannot ask somebody what is the time. When you ask the time is different. When he tells the time is different. When you hear it, the time is different. So there is no exact. It's all variable. That's why the theory of relativity says. Theory of relativity explains all this. So if somebody says nothing is varying, it's not correct. But relatively, we have to understand this is what it is. Right? Yeah. Are you experimenting a medicine for corona? I am not a medical scientist at all, my dear. I am a retired space scientist, but have passion for learning different things, so I am able to explain many things. But I am sure India will find a lot of solutions. But I heard somebody was telling Shanta Biotech, Bharat Biotech, the chief and all is saying, have your courage inside you, corona will not come to you. But let us see whether you are courageous or not. With a mask only, you should be courageous, as per government rule. No, is there any, I don't know what is that question. My name is Tirtha, I have a doubt. You have a doubt on your name or what? How is electricity made from dam? The water falls. When water falls, it can rotate a wheel. Rotating a wheel will produce the electricity, because the magnetism and electricity says anything rotate around something else can produce induction. That's induction. That's a great theory. The first theory of electricity is that induction theory. Yeah. Is time travel possible? Maybe. It's a big jwala. A mystery, not a history. So somebody has to create that mystery into history. I am sure some scientist will come one day. My name is Shivant. Yeah. Shivant S. Nair. Whether Nair or... not, it doesn't matter. Yeah. I am not going to give anyway Aadhaar card. Shivant is good enough. Shivant. Sir, I want to become an astronaut. Then what can I do? Nothing can be done to become an astronaut. In whichever field you are, you become an expert. And show passion. And there are, NASA does lot of coaching. I am sure ISRO will also start by the time you become. You can show interest and then they'll conduct some questions and some test paper to select somebody to experience gravity and zero gravity movement and all that. Then you can. But I am sure you can also go dive inside water under zero gravity. And under the ground or on the space, understand it's a high risk thing. Because from the atmosphere you are going non-atmospheric conditions, your body can become totally useless. Directly from the spacecraft or from the dive people from the submarine, they are taken into hospital and then experiment. They found that the body chemistry changes, they get different diseases. Are you ready for that? Then it's fine. That's why there was one question, why army people are selected, because they are ready for such risks. My time watch, when can help to go again in our past? Very difficult question. I don't know whether you can go into past. There was one Dr. Newton which did this experiment going backward, and he is denied visa in America because people say that they are crazy people. They create trouble in the mental state of people. So don't have to go back. Maybe you can think of dreams such that, but not in the traveling in our past and going back to your parents. I remember I wrote a story when I was in a master's college. When I was doing in Cochin, somebody asked me, Mahatma Gandhi into India, Kerala was the question asked. Anyway, that time Mahatma Gandhi was not there. So I started thinking past and then wrote a beautiful story. I think it's only story telling, but not reality. Why don't birds get, it's already question I answered, again it's coming. Sir, what is the physical phase of life is called? That is the body. The physical phase of life is the Panchabhutatmakam. When you get into reality, with that energy within you as the life force energy is what is understood. Yesterday I have posted the memory of discussing this last year. That means 2019 November 11th I gave a lecture on life and life force energy. Look at my YouTube. Check. You will get some answers for these questions. Okay. Then what? See waiting room. The admit. Some things are coming to me. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah. Thank you is, all these questions are great. Thank you. Then what comes to me as words? Because this question shows that you are really enjoying and you are seeing I am enjoying it. That is beautiful. That's good enough. Somebody felt sleepy or he is snoring. Good snoring. Beautiful, musical. He must be a musician. In the snoring also he can create musics. Yeah. When it comes to space science, the biggest question. Are we alone? God only knows. You must see that PK movie and Amir Khan's movie which explains that. With a little bit of research reading about the space exploration, I have understood. I think we should talk to each other for longer time. He is a great reader. Understand life forms and the surfaces of the Mars is difficult due to extreme temperature conditions. We don't know. There can be animals or there can be different creatures who can live in different atmospheric conditions. How do we know? We are very small to evaluate what is in the whole universe. Probably the biggest, they also may be sending somebody here to look at what people are doing. Because that may be microbes, we are not able to look at them. That gigantic shape and beauty of the people, they must be evaluating and going back. That is also possible. So these are all myths. We don't know. We cannot give answers today as of now. But recently came across a topic of the lava tubes and the, possible. These are all, I told these are all stories created. If you are highly imaginative, you can write lot of stories like this. Sir, is it gravity under the ground? That's a beautiful question. Where is gravity? What will happen if somebody dig on the ground and then can we reach America on the other part of the world? Can we make a hollow place there and then grow? The gravity is most densified in the center of the earth. Therefore, if you make a hole and then jump, there is a beautiful YouTube. If you send me, I will send you link for all this. All of you should keep WhatsApp. The questions which is beautiful, I love such questions. I can show you beautiful videos which are available on YouTube. And what happens is when you jump here, you go to the other end because of the gravity, it pulls you back. So you go ups and down. That's what will happen. Because the center of the earth is what? Maximum gravity. So gravity under the ground, yes. Up to the center of the ground, gravity is more densified. As you go from the top to the bottom, the gravity is more. That is what people now understand. That is why the center of the earth is gravity. Don't see the center of the earth is one point. It is 20 kilometer wide because earth is not a sphere. It's a spheroid which keeps moving. That is why we have got ups and downs. The topography of the earth is because of that. That science is called geoid. If you want to learn geography, you must learn geoid first. As a science, if you want to learn, not geography teachers. The subject is called geoid. Understand geoid. And then talk about how different earth is having different shape. Why the shape? That is being spoken in the subject called geoid. Sir, does the atom have a color? Yes, atom has colors, and each electrons different chemical in which frequency that moves have got color. Because what is color? In the VIBGYOR, different colors are coming because of the speed in which it is vibrating. Therefore, the electrons vibrate in different color. Therefore, atoms also will have different colors because the outer extreme orbit electrons keep on jumping. That jumping atom is what you are seeing as radium. You have got radium light. Even after jumping, some of the lights, when you switch off also, the light is there. That is because it is jumping. And that light have got different colors based on which chemical you are using there. What happens, we use 100% of our brain. Is there any theory? Nobody knows. Even Einstein used only 0.2. I don't even use my brain at all. I am using my manas. So brain is less used, manas is more used for spiritual people. I don't think I am giving answer from thinking about my brain. Do you think I am thinking and giving you answer? Do you think I learned from textbook and then I am giving you answer? No, it just comes from the manas. It comes from my atma. So don't think that brain is most powerful. More powerful than brain is your atma. The atma knows, understand everything. So the manas and the buddhi and the atma. That is why Bhagavan Krishna says, Uddhareyat atmanatmanam atmanam avasadayet atmaiva hyatmano bandhu atmaiva ripuratmanaha. The buddhi and the manas are your enemies. And the judge is your atma. The practical buddhi is buddhi. The emotional, the loving manas is your manas. Sir, why there is no up and down in space? Because space is space. There is no up and down. Because the space doesn't have bottom and the top. That is why somebody says, why the plant is not falling? Somebody asks, where it has to fall? Falling should happen towards down. There is no down and up. So it doesn't know where to go up or down. Therefore it is revolving around. Patatvayam khe. Padatvayam khe akrishti shaktistu mahitaya yat gastum swabhimugam shaktya etc. etc. The last word is padatvayam khe. How can it fall? Where it should fall? Therefore there is no up and down. That's what it says. Sir, will you please repeat your number? 944 944 74 37 948 944 74 37 948 9 4 4 7 3 7 4 3 7 9 8 9447437 Otherwise search Dr. TPS, you will get on internet. DRTPS without a gap. Dr. TPS, that's my name. Did a meteor, the meteor entered in the earth? Definitely. There are many planets. There was a Skylab coming in 1986. I remember one of my we were all looking at the telescope and then looking at whether a meteor is coming or not, and then immediately one of the professor was coming on a motorbike. He met with an accident 1985. I think that's the time when we had. Is there any place without gravity on earth? Yes. Reverse gravity is there. Gravity lost is there. I already explained. There could be places, nobody knows. There could be sink and place where everything getting attracted too much. There is somewhere nothing get attracted also. That's also possible. The sink and the source, both are available. Sir, did you, yeah, I think it's over. Explain what is Darshana Shastram. Philosophy is called Darshana Shastram. Philosophy is philos and Sophie. Philos is love, Sophie is knowledge. Philosophy is love for knowledge is Darshana Shastram. What is Darshana Shastram? You are able to understand things and then you are able to enjoy what is around. I wrote a small poetry book in which one of the poetry is called Philos to Agape. There is a lecture also. One of the days I spoke on the Philos to Agape. So that is what is Darshana Shastram. In the young children, when they really love, the topic is called Philos to Agape. This is my book, Life of Love. All my books are available on internet. You can download. So Darshana Shastram is when you love, blind love is called Darshanam. That is called philosophy. And that Darshanam is what is love which Krishna had. And that is why he taught in the war field also Arjuna. And that is what is called the Sudarshanam. Darshanam, when it becomes beautiful and good, that is called Sudarshanam. Very good Darshanam. That is best philosophy. Sir, why is gravity the stronger force? Stronger? Because it can attract anything. The earth is so big and it can attract. And anything goes closer to that. That's what it is. And sometimes your gravity can be too big, you can attract people. When people say that, after my lecture, many people send messages to me. Why and how are you able to attract people? You can see I have got force. And that force makes people to come to me to ask me questions. I'm sure not many people would have asked so many questions to so many people. Your energy is what is the attraction for you. If I become lifeless, I show no energy in my talk, do you think people will come to me? It's almost 2 hours. It's not a joke. I speak like this 48 hours. The same spirit and energy. I am sure if you have good questions, I will be there. And that is what is the force of attraction. Would the body decay in space? Yes, definitely. Wherever it goes, the electromagnetic energy is what life is. When the life goes, it decays. Decays in the sense is de-attracts. The life is what keeps the body together. Between when if I keep my hand in a huge microscope, you will see cell. You go inside again, you will see atom. You go inside again, you will see neutron, electron, proton. So that means everything is not connected and binded without gap. There is a gap in between everything. When that gap is what is the attraction force, that is called the life force energy. When the life goes, every cell will become separate, every atom will become separate. So the life decays when the life goes, whether it is in space or is in the ground. Life is what creates the body together. And as a body, when it goes, probably you can put in deep freezer, different temperature conditions, it will not decay. The decay happens because of the temperature conditions. Otherwise, life is what keeps it together. Once life goes, it becomes only particles, and it depends on which place, where, how do you keep it. Okay. Did you develop your knowledge by asking questions? Every student should ask questions by themselves. When you keep asking questions themselves, you will find answers. I had an interaction with the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. What do you ask him? Can you ask him, what is your name, sir? No. Can you ask him, what are you doing, sir? No. So, you become more matured in asking better questions when you meet people in different scales and different levels. And if you have that ability, I am sure your knowledge will improve. When I had traveled with Tilakan, the actor, I asked a lot of questions. When I meet film personality, I will have a different set of questions to ask. When I meet writers, I have a different questions to ask. When I meet politicians, I have a different questions to ask. When I meet scientists, I will have a different questions to ask. So your vast reading and then the curiosity to ask questions will give you more knowledge. Sir, why all stars are fixed in space? It is not fixed, it is moving, but it is too far and we are not able to see the difference in the places. Therefore, we are thinking that it is not moving. Otherwise, stars also keep moving, but with respect to the solar system, the movement is very slow. Therefore, we don't see. What we see, the position of the star, maybe when it was got hundreds and thousands of years back. We are seeing it now. We are not seeing as and when it is there, because the light from that star to reach into your eye, it takes millions of years sometime. Okay? Yeah. Is there any more question? Yeah. Sir, why are the stars? It's already answered. Yeah. Same question being repeated. Maybe there is a delay in the visual what comments the chat and my answering. What a great seal for the children. Yeah, I love. Yesterday I was talking to somebody, some parents, and they was telling the children are good only when they ask questions. And I am seeing most beautiful children in my lot of experience of talking to millions of children. Love you, Shantigiri students. I don't know why I was not in your classrooms physically. Definitely in the next option I will be there with you to get lot of questions. But I am sure it is not a prepared questions. It would come online and offline from whatever happens. Some stars are blue in color and the others are red. I told you the electromagnetic energy that creates the color. The Vibgyor. In your eye you have only ability to see such colors, but don't think that's only color. With the different eye has got only ability to see. There are other colors also coming. From the sunlight, don't think that white light is coming. Only when the irradiation comes, the reflection comes, scattering comes, you see different colors. That doesn't mean that's only the wavelength which is coming. Ultraviolet, infrared, the different wavelength will come. The wavelength which gives message to you in your telephone is also wavelength. Different electromagnetic. So anything which you see, anything which you hear, anything which comes to you from different places is electromagnetic energy. What is meant by black hole? We already told you. The electromagnetic energy gets absorbed, so nothing is reflected, therefore it looks at black. That's what Planck's theory. you look at Planck's theory, black, and then apply here, that is black hole. During the current studies situation, what is the personal protection equipment kits is completely made of plastic and the cause pollution. So we can make this kit by difficult, because any protection has to be which will not be penetrated by the natural forces. I am sure any natural thing has got a cell and that is penetrable. So non-penetrable is what is that we looking for. That is non-penetrable is what is today available, like a plastic glass. These are the two objects immediately which comes into our mind. So why sir have watched the History Channel? What is more entered in the earth from the Mercury and it had some dead microparticles? Possible. History Channel don't, it's only history. Sometimes it becomes mystery also. They need not be perfectly correct things, because sometimes the History Channel you can show, people also show ghost and such things also. So what is seen, what is imaginative, what is story is also coming in History Channel. So don't quote them, quote only what scientists talk about that as the fact. Sir, how lightning is formed? Two clouds which has got a huge electric energy, when they collide each other, the sound will come and the light also will come. Different electromagnetic energy. Again, electromagnetic energy which is in the wavelength of 0.4 to 0.7 gives you as light. What is in a sound region will give you as a sound. That's why the sound comes separate and light comes separate. Actually it is coming together. The light and sound is together. That is colliding two electromagnetic potential together. That is what is lightning, and that is what we use as the saving and lightning savior and all that. Otherwise it can come to ground and then burn us also. Sir, I am asking the question which is not prepared. It doesn't matter, my dear. I love you, all of you. I love all of you. It is from the mind, and thank you for clearing my questions. Love you. Aneka, Aneka, I love you. I know that how sincere you are, because when people keep asking questions, the question will come. That's called satsang. You should have students who ask lot of questions, and person who don't ask questions also start creating questions. It is not that you don't have questions. You have questions, but you don't have a good group. We keep asking questions. So love you for that, Anaka. You must message me. And why is Bermuda Triangle attracting? I told you there are places where the gravity can become a sink. Sink means goes inside. You know, in the kitchen you have sink, everything goes inside that. Without a filter you open sink. That's how it is. Would a body decay in space? Already asked and I answered, my dear. Sir, does stars die? No. Stars should not die. Stars will have a lifespan. Die in the sense when? Unimaginative lifespan it will have. Sun also may lose its power after some time, because it's burning. Every star is burning. After some time probably it can lose its burning energy. All the matter inside is over, and then it can go. But it will have trillions and trillions of years. We don't have to worry about what happens when our kids goes. No, doesn't matter. It may die after some time. God only knows. Inshallah. Maybe the God will give an answer. Ishwaran ariya, namakkariyilla. That's it.
Sun will bigger than all stars?
No, not necessarily. There could be bigger suns as stars, because it is too far. We are seeing it's too small, but we don't know. But what is said is there can be millions of stars, millions of universe, millions of galaxies, and the sun is not the biggest as far as now the people say. Sir, does okay, already answered. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Love you all. Gauri, Prarthana, thank you for clearing my doubts. Yes, not your doubt, everybody's doubt. When somebody is calling, oh God, don't call your God. No, oh my God, don't. Oh, our God. Sir, will the earth end? Don't worry. Yeah. As long as I am there, you are there, the earth will not end. When we go, let it go. Doesn't matter. It is not that small. 198 years we already crossed. So I am sure it is going to be, we say that it is only 27 Manvantaras is over, and we are only the quarter of the Kaligala. The Kaligala itself will have many more years to go. We only crossed 5,300 years approximately. That's it. 200 and odd years. That's good enough. Is there sixth sense? I don't know. You are asking me, do I have sixth sense? Everybody has got sixth sense. Sometime when somebody beats you, something will come to you, and you will hit your father also sometime. That's not from the normal common sense. It is from the sixth sense. What you do with when your senses are not working is your sixth sense. Sir, will you say about what is that? Mariana Trench? Ask me specific questions. Don't tell me, will you talk about life? How do I answer? Don't ask very specific questions, and then we could interact. That could be what you should do. Yeah? Finished? Did you enjoy? Sir, who is your role model? I told you, once upon a time when I used to listen to beautiful Hindi poetry and the speeches of Vajpayee, I think he was. When I read Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna. When I read Shankaracharya. When I read Einstein. Now today, my role model is Dr. TPS. I keep myself looking at, I wanted to learn more and more and more. So keep your own picture big and start looking at it. My guru was my role model when I want to learn. See, we keep science somebody, mathematics somebody, physics somebody, biology somebody else, English somebody else. They're all different role models, not one. So what we think of them, all that together, put in our manas and then put ourselves as a great person. I'm not telling at your age. Probably when you read a lot, learn a lot, enjoy a lot, that's what you should do. I'm a retired person. I'm enjoying writing, I'm enjoying reading, I'm enjoying lecturing, I'm enjoying interacting with the children. Today I just finished I'm a mathematics professor in a university now. So morning I had a class. I made mathematics enjoyable. So there I have not seen somebody who is teaching mathematics like me teaching. So I think that for mathematics teaching, I myself is a role model for me. Maybe for physics, I see somebody else. I told you Walter. Walter is a beautiful teacher of physics. So I think sometime I copy Walter. I wanted to be like him, but I can never be like him. He's a great person. I wanted to be Mahatma Gandhi, but I cannot become. I want to be like a Vivekananda, but I cannot. So we keep listing them together, and that's what I do. Enjoyed listening to you very much, sir. You are all good children. If I spoke well, if I reflected well, it's only reflection because of the good questions. You imagine if those questions were not there, do you think I can sustain like this for 2 hours talking to somebody like a Bomma who don't respond? You are all beautiful children. Love you so much. I love your curiosity. I think this is what probably my first experience of interacting with children with beautiful questions like this. So I enjoyed it. Enjoyed it. Thank you. How do spaceships make artificial gravity? See, when a train runs on a rail without being touching on the rail, it has got a gravity which will make you to fly. It is not somewhere else on the ground also. There are train which goes. Your positive and negative charges on the rail can be alternatively changed, and your wheel gets attracted to the positive charge, then negative charge, ripple and attraction. That makes the train to move faster. So it's part of technology today. That is where I told you the experiment of Big Bang. That is also with magnetic energy. Okay, so that's part of many experiments. Starting from train to electrons, it is being used there. Can I get your books online? All books are available online, Dr. TPS, and some of the books are on my blog. Send me a WhatsApp if you don't get it. My telephone number is there, or go to my website, look at writings and books. Some of the books are already published, writings are which are available on blog. PDF you can download, you can copy from my blog and distribute and read and make comments. Look at my internet YouTube and then give comments on my lectures, and then keep in contact, and I'll be very glad to interact with any one of you. Any question, any time when you wanted to learn or need directions in learning tricks, probably if you are good children, you want to make a small group and interact with me to make your learning in your 10th class better. You can listen to my 10th class, probably what I was teaching to my children in my small town village in my nearby my house. I've got a 200-year-old house where I used to conduct Nanam camp, JNAANAM. There I was teaching maths, physics, chemistry, biology, Hindi, English to my children. You can learn how I teach, right? Do aliens exist? Probably yes. That's what I said. Asked you to look at a PK movie, and I will read your books. Thank you. Good. Glad. Is the meridians are real? Meridians are only imaginative. There is no line drawn there, but we know this is what it is as a reference, right? So there is no Greenwich, there is no meridian, there is no lines on the earth with the latitude and longitude. These are all our imaginations, yeah. But we know, and it is not what we draw in the picture. When somebody says, can you draw the earth picture, I keep saying, no, I cannot draw, I can only approximately draw this. So okay, so is that is what we draw, and that is what we require as a reference for us. We require as a reference, that's it. So we create them, yeah. The mermaids are real. Oh, it's not a meridian, it's mermaids. The mermaids, maybe it's maybe I don't know, I'm not very sure, yeah. I'm not going back for seeking questions because I missed something which was typing by somebody else. That's what happened in the middle. Is there, sir? No, I don't know. Is there, sir? I am here. Is that the question? Is there, sir? I am here. Yeah. Yes, I am here. Are you not seeing me? Are you not hearing me? Am I muted? I am visible. Why that question? Is there, sir?
I'm a parent. I'm a parent.
Yeah, tell me. No problem.
2 children studying Chandagiri Vidya Bhavan.
Very good.
Only 7th A and Dharmaja 6th C.
Wonderful.
I am very thankful to you for presenting such a dynamic speech for our children.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. God bless you. I enjoy talking to children always. That's why I left my government job and then came to children.
I am in the office.
I was in the government of India. I left that. I took my volunteer retirement and full time for students. 10 years back I took my retirement. Straight away I came to Palakkad in a small village, picked up 8th class children, 45 girls and 45 boys, and changed their future. That's what I did. So I love to take children and then teach them. Teach them as much as I can. Yeah.
We are expecting your speech in future also.
Definitely. I love, and I have long association because of my eldest brother who is there, our Gopinathan Pilla sir, Professor Gopinathan Pillai. He is my elder brother. My eldest brother who is my guardian is the one who introduced me to Shantigiri Ashram. So I am always there. I am always there. Is there another universe? I already answered yes, there could be different universe. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Who is the... Yeah, I'm sure. I can. സന്തോഷം.
ഗുരുവേദയുടെ മുത്തശ്ശനാണ്. എനിക്ക് ഒരു അങ്ങയുടെ എല്ലാം ഞാൻ മിക്കവാറും കേട്ടു. സത്യത്തില് യു ആർ എ ഗ്രേറ്റ് മാൻ എന്നാണ് എനിക്ക് പറയാനുള്ളത്.
I am a learner, so I love questions.
Yes. അത് അങ്ങനെയാണല്ലോ, എല്ലാവരും അങ്ങനെയാണ്. ഈ ഔവയ്യാറ് പറഞ്ഞത് അങ്ങനെയാണ്. അറ്റത് കൈമണ്ണളവ് അല്ലാതത് ഉളകളവ് കളഴുമടന്തി ഓതുകിன்றாൻ. സരസ്വതി ദേവി പറയുന്നതെന്നാണ്. ഞാൻ അറിഞ്ഞത് ഒരു കൈപിടി മണ്ണ്, ഇനി അറിയാനുള്ളത് ലോകത്തുള്ള മണ്ണ് മൊത്തമെന്ന് സരസ്വതി ദേവി പറയുന്നെന്നാണ് ഔവയ്യാറ് പറയുന്നത്. എന്റെ ഒരു ചോദ്യമല്ല സാർ, ഒരു പങ്കിടലാണ്. കസ്മിന്നു ഭഗവേ വിജ്ഞാതേ സർവമിതം വിജ്ഞാതം ഭവതി എന്നൊരു ഉപനിഷത്ത് വാക്യമുണ്ട്. അതൊരു ഗൃഹസ്ഥാശ്രമി അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ ഗുരുവിനോട് ചോദിക്കുന്നതാണ്, അങ്കിരസിനോട് ചോദിക്കുന്നതാണെന്ന് ഞാൻ മുൻപ് വായിച്ചതാണ്, അതുകൊണ്ട് ഓർമ്മയെന്ന് പറയുകയാണ്. കസ്മിന്നു ഭഗവോ വിജ്ഞാതേ സർവമിതം വിജ്ഞാതം ഭവതി. ഏതൊരു അറിവുണ്ടായാൽ എനിക്ക് എല്ലാ അറിവും കരഗതമാകുമോ, ആ അറിവ് എന്താണ് എന്ന് ചോദിക്കുകയാണ് ഒരു ഗൃഹസ്ഥാശ്രമി ഗുരുവിനോട്. അങ്ങനെ ഒരു അറിവുണ്ടെന്ന് അങ്ങ് പറയുകയും ചെയ്തു. അങ്ങ് അത് ദൈവത്തിന്, അത് ഈശ്വരനെ അറിയാവൂ എന്ന് അങ്ങ് പറഞ്ഞു. അത് കേൾക്കുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ അങ്ങ് പറഞ്ഞ ഐൻസ്റ്റീന്റെ കാര്യമാണ്. ഐൻസ്റ്റീൻ അവസാന കാലത്ത് അങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞതായിട്ട് ഒന്ന് വായിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. കാരണം ഞാൻ ഇതൊക്കെ അറിഞ്ഞു പറ്റേ ഇനി എനിക്കൊരു ജന്മം തരികയാണെങ്കിൽ എന്നെ ഒരു പ്ലംബറോ ഒരു ഫാർമറോ ആയിട്ട് ജനിപ്പിക്കണേ ദൈവമേ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞതായിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ ഒന്ന് കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ അതുകൊണ്ട് അങ്ങ് എല്ലാ ഇതും അങ്ങൊരു ഒരു ശരിക്കും പറഞ്ഞാല് ഒന്നിനോടും ഒരു പക്ഷപാതം പിടിക്കാതെ സത്യം പറയുന്നു. ഈ കൃഷ്ണൻ പറഞ്ഞതുപോലെ പാഞ്ചാലിയോട് അങ്ങ് എന്നെ ആശ്വസിപ്പിക്കാൻ വന്നോ അതോ വിഷമിപ്പിക്കാൻ വന്നോ എന്ന് ചോദിക്കുമ്പോ ഞാൻ പരമാർത്ഥം പറയാനാണ് വന്നത്, അല്ലാതെ മറ്റു രണ്ടിനും അല്ല എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരു ഭാഗം ഉണ്ടല്ലോ. അതുപോലെ അങ്ങ് പരമാർത്ഥം പറയുന്ന ആളാണെന്ന് കേട്ടപ്പോ സത്യത്തെ എനിക്ക് അങ്ങ് ഓർമ്മയിൽ കൊണ്ടുപോയാൻ ശാസ്ത്രജ്ഞന്റെ, അതായത് മിക്കവാറും പല ശാസ്ത്രജ്ഞന്മാരും അവരൊരു ഒരു അന്ധതയിൽ നിൽക്കുകയാണ്. പക്ഷെ അങ്ങ് ഈ നമ്മളുടെ ആ പ്രകാശം വെളിച്ചമാണ് അങ്ങിൽ നിന്ന് വന്നത്. കുട്ടികൾക്കെല്ലാം വളരെ പ്രയോജനകരമാണ്. ഏറ്റവും ഒരു ശാസ്ത്രജ്ഞൻ എന്നുള്ള രീതിയിലല്ല, ഒരു അറിവിനെ തേടുന്ന ഒരു നല്ല മനുഷ്യനെന്നാണ് ഞാൻ മനസ്സിലാക്കുന്നത്. എനിക്ക് വളരെ സന്തോഷമുണ്ട് സാർ.
പ്രണാമം.
ഗോപി സാറ് എന്റെ സുഹൃത്താണ്. നമ്മള് ഗോപി സാറ് ഞങ്ങള് കാര്യങ്ങൾ ഇങ്ങനെ ചർച്ച ചെയ്യാറുണ്ട്.
അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ ദയ കൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാൻ ഈ ഒരു അവസരമൊക്കെ കിട്ടുന്നത്. എനിക്ക്
അദ്ദേഹം ഒരു ശരിക്കും ഒരു സാധു മനുഷ്യനാണ്. സാധു.
ഞങ്ങളുടെ കൂടെ ട്രാവൽ ചെയ്യുകയും താമസിക്കുകയൊക്കെ ചെയ്യുന്ന ആളാണ് ഡോക്ടർ ഗോപിനാഥൻ പിള്ളയും ഞാനും.
എനിക്ക് എന്തായാലും യാദൃശ്യമായിട്ട് എന്റെ മകളെ അയച്ചു തന്നത് ലിങ്ക്.
സന്തോഷം.
ഞാനത് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എനിക്കൊരു വലിയ നഷ്ടമായി പോയേനെ.
എവിടെയാണ് സാർ ഉള്ളത്? എവിടെയാ? തിരുവനന്തപുരത്ത് തന്നെയാണോ?
തിരുവനന്തപുരത്ത് ഞാൻ ശ്രീകാര്യത്താണ് താമസിക്കുന്നത്.
ഓക്കെ. ഡോക്ടർ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഡോക്ടറേറ്റ് ആണോ?
ആശ്രമത്തിലെ ഈ ആർട്സ് ആൻഡ് കൾച്ചറിലുമായിട്ട് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് പ്രവർത്തിക്കാൻ ഞാൻ 41 വർഷമായി ആശ്രമത്തില് ഗുരുവിനെ കണ്ടിട്ട്.
ഓക്കെ. ഡോക്ടർ എന്നുള്ളത് ഡോക്ടറേറ്റ് ആണോ?
ഞാനൊരു ഡോക്ടറാണ്.
ഓക്കെ.
ഇപ്പൊ അങ്ങനെ പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. ഡോക്ടറാണ്. തിരുവനന്തപുരം മെഡിക്കൽ കോളേജിൽ പഠിച്ചതാ.
ഓക്കെ. ഇതിലപ്പുറം വേറെ എന്ത് വേണം?
സാറിന്റെ ആ ഇതുകൊണ്ട് എന്റെ മനസ്സിന്റെ ഒരുപാട് അങ്ങ് എന്തൊക്കെയോ അങ്ങ് മാറിയതുപോലെ. പ്രത്യേകിച്ചും ഈ കൊറോണ കാലത്ത് ഇങ്ങനെ വീട്ടിലിരുന്നേ വിഷമിച്ചിരുന്നല്ല, എന്നാൽ തന്നെ ഒരു ഞാൻ എപ്പോഴും യാത്ര ചെയ്യുന്ന ആളാ. ഇന്ത്യ മൊത്തം യാത്ര ചെയ്തിങ്ങനെ ആളുകളോട് സംസാരിക്കുന്ന ആളാ. അത് ചെയ്യാനൊക്കാത്തതിന്റെ ഒരു വിമ്മിഷ്ടത്തിൽ ഇരുന്നപ്പോ സാറിന്റെ ഈ വാക്കുകൾ കേട്ടപ്പോ എനിക്കങ്ങ്
ഒരു വിഷമവും വേണ്ട. എന്റെ ഒരു ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ ചേരുക. ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇടക്കിടക്ക് സത്സംഗ് ഉണ്ട്. ഞാനൊരു മായാ സത്സംഗ് കണ്ടിന്യൂഡ് ലേണേഴ്സ്. അതില് പിന്നെ ലോകത്തിന്റെ പല ഭാഗത്തുള്ളവരുണ്ട്. ഇന്ത്യയിലെ പിന്നെ ഡൽഹിയിൽ നിന്നും ആസാമിൽ നിന്നും ഗോവയിൽ നിന്നും കേരളത്തിൽ നിന്നും ചെറിയ കുട്ടികളുണ്ട്. 7ാം ക്ലാസ്സിലെ കുട്ടികളുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ ഞങ്ങൾ ഇടക്കിടക്ക് അവരാരെങ്കിലും ഒരു ചോദ്യം ചോദിച്ചാൽ അന്ന് ഞങ്ങൾ കൂടും. അന്ന് കൂടുന്നതിൽ 4 പേരുള്ളെങ്കിൽ 4 പേര്, 2 പേരുള്ളെങ്കിൽ 2 പേര്, ചിലപ്പോൾ ഞാനും ഒരു കുട്ടിയും മാത്രമേ ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ. അതിൽ ചിലപ്പോൾ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ഗ്രാമർ ആയിരിക്കും, പിറ്റേ ദിവസം പേപ്പർ വായിക്കാനായിരിക്കും, പിറ്റേ ദിവസം സുവോളജി ആയിരിക്കും, പിറ്റേ ദിവസം വേറെ എന്തെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ സബ്ജക്റ്റ് ആയിരിക്കും. ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് സബ്ജക്റ്റുകൾ സംസാരിക്കും. ആ കുട്ടികളുടെ പഠനവും അവരുടെ ഷെയറിങ്ങും ആണ് എൻ്റെ നോളജ്. ഞാൻ സാധാരണ പറയാറുള്ളത് ബട്ടർഫ്ലൈ പല പൂക്കളിൽ പോകുന്നത് പോലെ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന അറിവുകളാണ് നമ്മൾ ശേഖരിച്ചു വെക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ സ്ഥിരമായിട്ട് സത്സംഗ് മാർച്ച് 24 മുതൽ ഇന്നലെ വരെ എല്ലാ ദിവസവും ഒരു ലെക്ചറെങ്കിലും യൂട്യൂബിൽ ഞാൻ പോസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. നമ്പർ 1. പിന്നെ എൻ്റെ ഗുരുവിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത സുഹൃത്ത് ഒരു NN മേനോൻ സാർ എല്ലാ ദിവസവും വിഷ്ണു സഹസ്രനാമം പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. അത് എഡിറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഞാനാണ് ഇടുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ അത് എഡിറ്റ് ചെയ്തിടുമ്പോൾ ഞാൻ കേൾക്കും 2 പ്രാവശ്യം 3 പ്രാവശ്യം. ഈ വീഡിയോ ഒക്കെ എഡിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതും ഇടുന്നതും ഞാൻ തന്നെയാണ്. ചിലപ്പോൾ ഉറങ്ങുമ്പോൾ രാത്രി അർദ്ധരാത്രിയാവും. അതിട്ടാലേ അന്ന് കിടന്നുറങ്ങുള്ളൂ. കാരണം എല്ലാ ദിവസവും ആ പണി തീർത്താലേ ഉറങ്ങുള്ളൂ എന്ന് തീരുമാനിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതുകൊണ്ട് വലിയ ചില നല്ല ഗുരുക്കന്മാരുടെ അടുത്തൊക്കെ പോവാനും, എൻ്റെ മെഡിറ്റേഷൻ മാസ്റ്റർ സ്വാമി രാമ ഫ്രം ഹിമാലയൻ ട്രഡീഷൻ ആണ്. അപ്പൊ ലിവിങ് വിത്ത് ഹിമാലയൻ മാസ്റ്റേഴ്സ് അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ ഏക സൗത്ത് ഇന്ത്യയിലുള്ള ഡിസൈപ്പിൾ ഞാനാവും. അപ്പോൾ അവരുടെയൊക്കെ കൂടെ ജീവിക്കാനും ട്രാവൽ ചെയ്യാനും കോൺഫറൻസ് നടത്താനും സംസാരിക്കാനൊക്കെ ഭാഗ്യം കിട്ടിയെന്നുള്ളതാണ് ആകെയുള്ളൊരു ജന്മം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ അത് വ്യത്യസ്തമായിട്ട് പഠിക്കാൻ ശ്രമിച്ചു, യാത്ര ചെയ്തു, പലരിടത്തുനിന്നും പലതും പഠിച്ചു. അത് കുട്ടികൾക്ക് കൊടുക്കാൻ കിട്ടുന്ന ഒരു അവസരം ഒരിക്കലും വേണ്ടാന്ന് വെച്ചിട്ടില്ല.
അങ്ങയുടെ തുറന്ന മനസ്സാണ് എന്നെ സന്തോഷിപ്പിച്ചത്.
ഈ കുറെ പഠിക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് ഞാൻ സാധാരണ പറയാറുണ്ട്, റിസർച്ച് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നോയിങ് മോർ ആൻഡ് മോർ അബൌട്ട് ലെസ് ആൻഡ് ലെസ്. അപ്പൊ അവരുടെ വൈഡ് കാഴ്ചപ്പാട് പോയിട്ട് ചെറിയ കാര്യങ്ങളെ കുറിച്ച് കുറേ പഠിക്കുന്നതാണ് റിസർച്ച് എന്ന് തോന്നാറുണ്ട്. ഇപ്പൊ ഞാൻ പറയാറുണ്ട്, മാത്തമാറ്റിക്സ് നോയിങ് മോർ ആൻഡ് മോർ, ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് ഇൻഫിനിറ്റി. ബട്ട് വാട്ട് ഡു യു നോ അബൌട്ട് സ്മോൾ ആൻഡ് സ്മോൾ? സ്മോൾ ആൻഡ് സ്മോൾ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് വിൽ ബിക്കം നത്തിങ്. അവസാനം കുറെ അറിയാം, എന്തിനെ കുറിച്ച്? ഒന്നിനെ കുറിച്ചും അറിയില്ലാത്തതുപോലെ കുറെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ അറിയാം. അതുകൊണ്ട് കാര്യമില്ല, ജീവിക്കാൻ പഠിക്കണം എന്ന് ഞാൻ പറയാം. വളരെ 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 സന്തോഷം. ഞാൻ പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നത് LIFE, ലൈഫാണ്. ലിവ് ഇൻ ഫുൾ എൻജോയ്മെന്റ്, ലേൺ ഇൻ ഫുൾ എൻജോയ്മെന്റ്. ലേണിംഗ് ഈസ് എൻ ഇൻവെസ്റ്റ്മെന്റ് ഫോർ ഫ്യൂച്ചർ ഏർണിംഗ്. സവിദ്യയും
സാധാരണ ആളുകള് ജീവിക്കാൻ തയ്യാറെടുത്ത് മരിക്കുക.
ഓരോ നിമിഷം ജ്വലിതം ശ്രേയം നതു ധൂമയുധം ചിരം. ഓരോ നിമിഷവും ജീവിച്ച് അത് എൻജോയ് ചെയ്യല്ലേ വേണ്ടത്. നിമിഷം ജ്വലിതം ശ്രേയം നതു ധൂമയുധം ചിരം. സന്തോഷം, വളരെ വളരെ സന്തോഷം. അടുത്ത തിരുവനന്തപുരം ട്രിപ്പില് സാറിനെ കാണാൻ വരുന്നു. അതിനായിട്ടെങ്കിലും ജന്മം എനിക്ക് നീട്ടിക്കിട്ടുന്ന പറയണേ.
മാറട്ടെ, നമുക്ക് പരസ്പരം ഫിസിക്കലായിട്ട് കാണാൻ കഴിയട്ടെ. സാറ് പറഞ്ഞതുപോലെ
സന്തോഷം. Good enough? Shall we call it a day? Is there anybody around? Good enough?
Thank you, sir, for enriching us with such a fabulous practice session. Now I welcome Oshima to Board of Friends. Sadguru Sharanam. Good morning to all. I am Oshima Ram of class 12. I feel greatly privileged to be entrusted with the responsibility of expressing word of thanks this august function. At the outset, I would love to express sincere thanks to our beloved principal, Adreniya Janani Kumarnana Tabaswini, our Vice Principal Vijay Sir, and above all, the most respected Chief Guest of the day, Dr. T.P. Shashikumar Sir, the founder and chairman of Jnana Youth Development Organization. I will be feeling a responsibility if I do not express the words of gratitude to this honorable Chief Guest. He is the distinguished personality who has come over here to share this wonderful time with us by interacting with the students and also by sharing his inspirational thoughts with us. I would also like to share express my thanks to all science teachers of our school, especially Ambi ma'am, who introduced the guests and also presented an overview of the functioning of the science club. Next, I would like to express my thanks to our office bearers, Sajeevan sir and Deepthi ma'am, all teachers and non-teaching staffs. But last but not least, I would like to heartily thank all the supportive parents and my dear friends. Thank you one and all.